There's a light come from my window and it shines down on the street. And there's some guys down on the corner singing that good old harmony. So I rise up from the shadows and my voice tears down the street. 'Cause I'm alive and proud to be Bob singing that good old harmony. I'm talking about soul to soul, yeah, soul to soul. Oh, brother to brother, brother to brother. Yeah, Capella, it sounds good to me. I'm talking about soul to soul, yeah, soul to soul. Oh, brother to brother, brother to brother. Capella, it sounds good to me. I just want we stand under the lights, set up and we stand all day and night, singing that good old acapella. It sounds so sweet, and we're loud and proud to be Bob singing that good old harmony. Talking about soul to soul, yeah, soul to soul. Brother to brother, brother to brother. Acapella, acapella, it sounds good to me. Talking about soul to soul, and brother to brother, brother to brother. Oh, acapella, acapella, it sounds good to me. University of Vermont, attractive, talented, and all male campus. And tonight we gather to celebrate Owen Phyllis Campbell, David Elias Stratus, and the UVM Top Cats. Thank you so much for coming and joining the show.
Now when I turn out the lights and say goodbye to another night, before I rest my weary head, be putting my bones away to bed, I'm gonna get on my knees and pray to the Lord to give me just one more day. Oh Lord, this music means so much to me. I'm talking about soul to soul, yes, soul to soul. And brother to brother, brother to brother. Well, it sounds good to me. I'm talking about soul to soul, yes, soul to soul.